Hi, I'm Danny Jack. This video brings you the installation and use the cabinet CPU and the water tower. First, let's take a look at the control box of the water tower. This is the temperature and this is the manual and automatic transmission of the fan. The following is the manual and the automatic transmission of the spray. They will automatically start when they reach the set temperature, and this is the inlet wire of the control box. Because of the high limits, the fan of the water tower is generally disassembled in shape, and the first step after receiving the goods is to install the fan. Then fix the fan with the screw supplied with the goods, and then we install the inlet wire of the fan. 3 live wires and 1 earth wire are required for the inlet wire of the fan. We put the protective cover back on the fan junction box. First of all, open the inlet box. The inlet wire of the fan needs 3 live wire and 1 earth wire. After installation, we put back the protective cover of the fan junction box and then connect the other end of the fan to the terminal of the fan in the water tower control box. Remove protective cover of spray pump. The spray pump also requires 3 live wires and 1 earth wire. Connect the wire of the spray pump to the spray terminal of the control box. Connect the wire of the spray pump to the spray terminal of the control box. Finally, install the temperature wire of the water tower outlet. The temperature wire has 3 phases, 1 red and 2 blue. The red corresponds to the red terminal, and then the 2 blue are in no order. When the wire of the water tower fan spray temperature probe is connected, we finally install the control box inlet wire. The incoming wires of the control box need 3 live wires, and then 1 earth wire and 1 neutral wire. The CDU needs to connect 3 live wires, 1 neutral wire, 1 earth wire. 1, 2, 3 is live wire, and then this is the 4 is the neutral wire, and the 5 is the earth wire. The CDU wire has been connected, and then we will connect the wire to the cabinets. We can load the miner in now. I have already loaded the miner in advance. After installing the machine, first, connect the network cable, power cord, water inlet, and water outlet. All of our ball valves are in the same direction, so that when we remove the machine, our machine will not touch the ball valve. Next, we connect the pipeline between the cabinets, CDU, and the water tower. First of all, we install those 2 butterfly valves, take 2 sealing rings, 2 chucks, and connect the corresponding digital identifiers on each interface one by one. First, the cabinets 1 and 2 are connected with the CDU 1 and 2. And then the CDU 3 and 4 are connected with the water tower 3 and 4. This is a complete set of connection. This is a complete pipeline connection tutorial. Then we move on introduce the cabinets wiring and actually run them. We have changed the venue now. And we are going to hook up the inlet wire to the cabinets. The inlet wire of the cabinets are at the rear of the cabinets. These are the two PDUs that need to be connected to two earths of the inlet wires ABC, and the terminals of the earth wire are behind them. This is the neutral terminal. Finally, install the earth and the neutral wire to complete. Next, we will carry out the operation of the system. After all the preparatory work is completed, the liquid will be replenished into the water tank first. Now this level is the lowest level. We will fill the liquid level to 40 part. Now that the water is full, we will open the exhaust valve of the cabinet. At the back of the cabinet, at the top of the two water diverters, there is an exhaust valve, which we open. Then we will start the formal replenishment. For the first replenishment operation, we will first open the menu screen and carry out the manual replenishment. We need to stop replenishment at 1 bar with the pipe pressure of TT01. If in the process of your replenishment, you find that the pump cannot fill the water, then we have to open the exhaust port of this pump and open this place to exhaust the air. When water comes out of this area, twist this screw in. Then the replenishment was continued, and the replenishment was stopped when the pipe pressure reached 1 bar, and now the water level was reduced. At this time, we can continue to add water to the water tank. We will switch the control mode of the water supply pump to manual, and run the water supply pump manually. When the pressure of TT01 is reduced, we can continue to refill it to 1 bar. If our TT02 pressure does not drop, when we turn on the water supply pump, we can operate automatically. When we turn on the automatic operation, we find that if the pressure of TT02 does not rise, we need to open the exhaust valve of this circulating pump and exhaust the air until there is water out. Now that the whole system has secured, we turn on the water tower and power on the cabinets, and now the whole system has completed the operation. Let's look at the data after we run it. And let's look at the temperature on the screen. The inlet temperature is 30 degrees and the outlet temperature is 40 degrees. The above is installation and use the cabinets, CDU and the water tower. Okay, the next instruments will bring you the installation and the integrated cabinet and the water tower.